My very presence here today is a testament to the power of foundation, the power of family, of friends, of colleagues, of mentors, and of community. I have been incredibly fortunate to have had some of the fiercest advocates and supporters throughout my life.
The university, and any university, is a central piece of its community. And it's a leading example for other colleges in our state and around our nation and how academic institutions and their surrounding communities can form strong bonds.
Today is about our vision of the future, and you deserve the hope and pride and joy filling this beautiful square, on this beautiful campus, on this beautiful shore.
As Isaac Newton said, if I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. 9 exceptional people have stood where I stand now as president of Salisbury University, each building off the other and carrying this institution to new heights. Life is choice, all day, every day. Who we talk to, where we sit, what we say, and how we say it. And our lives become defined by our choices. It's as simple and as complex as that. So with great humbleness, I stand before you as Salisbury's 10th president, and I will work to make this choice every day. It will be my constant endeavor to serve this institution and our Seagull students, faculty, staff, alumni, and community, striving for a life of significance.